Our government has approved thousands of projects.
A business-as-usual announcement on a not-so-usual day, where the backdrop of a bus can be interpreted in oh so many ways.
I am surprised and disappointed, and to be honest, don't entirely understand why Jody Wilson-Raybould made the decision she did.
Trudeau insists there was no wrongdoing, and if there were concerns, Wilson-Raybould never raised them.
It was her responsibility to come forward to me this past fall and highlight that directly to me. She did not. Nobody did.
Nevertheless, it's come to this. Less than a month after she was demoted, Wilson-Raybould has now departed cabinet entirely. A body blow for a government that prides itself as a champion of women and Indigenous reconciliation. Her resignation letter gives no clear reason for quitting, but offers this statement. When I sought federal elected office, it was with the goal of implementing a positive and progressive vision of change on behalf of all Canadians and a different way of doing politics. Wilson-Raybould thanks many people in her letter. She makes no mention of the Prime Minister.
If it wasn't obvious before, Ms. Wilson-Raybould's resignation makes it crystal clear that Justin Trudeau is trying to hide the truth with regards to the SNC-Lavalin affair.
Scheer is demanding that the Prime Minister's office preserve all documents related to SNC-Lavalin and Jody Wilson-Raybould. The Ethics Commissioner is already investigating. The push now is for the Justice Committee to look into it, something the committee chair, who happens to be a Liberal, says he will support.
I am leaning towards the fact that the committee should investigate it. Canadians across the country are wondering, well, what the heck happened? She just resigned. She wouldn't confirm what he said.
But to get the answers the committee wants, the Prime Minister would have to waive solicitor-client privilege to let Wilson-Raybould talk. It's something he's seeking advice on, but says isn't simple to do.
There's a real danger that's been flagged for me of unintended consequences, particularly because there are 2 court cases ongoing directly related to this matter that could be impacted by such a decision we might make.
While Trudeau gets advice, so does Wilson-Raybould. For now, she remains silent, but she's hired retired Supreme Court Justice Thomas Cromwell to advise her on what she can say publicly in the future. So stay tuned. David Cochran, CBC News, Ottawa.